If you're trying to grow your company with I need to tell you about one day that changes everything. Stop guessing. In one day, you get a scored AI maturity level and a written 90-day roadmap. So at your next board meeting, you walk in with an answer, not an apology. No more science projects either. You go back to your boss with a method and momentum, a prompt playbook, a working agent, and a plan you can actually run. And this isn't theory you leave having actually built and deployed something real. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. A prompt playbook built for your highest volume work, a tool connected agent running live, a dashboard that answers questions from your own business data, real work product, not slides. This is the AI Business Retreat, one full day, hands on, hosted by certified coaches at a lakeside lodge or streamed straight to your team. You'll build all day across two tracks, business and developer, then celebrate with an evening social by the water. Stop playing with AI and start building with it. Spots are limited. Sign up today and bring proof back to your team.